Lifestyle investing, well, we invest based off our lifestyle to build a future lifestyle. Mike, myself, and
Dad in the house.
Dad in the
Bernie's
house.
dad is here tonight.
I have the honor.
Yeah.
He does. Okay, so we're going to get straight to it.
Yeah.
If it is smart to start investing when you're at such a young age, whether that's junior high or high school, I guess before the 18-year-old.
Yeah, and the why I think is to really challenge you, because from what I know just by being around for almost 36 years is that the earlier you start anything is the better, but we're going to talk about why it is, because I think that that the question kind of answers itself. And so I think the why is to build that confidence. We're going to build your confidence in that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I have to totally agree. And I started out young, but not investing dollars. It was paper trading, and I learned a system. And of course, it's the best way to go. Start young, and you have the time.
Right. And and you're doing it in a way where you can make mistakes and you're not going to feel it financially. And you really didn't have much money at that.
Absolutely.
And what you said last video, go back and watch it, is research. And that's what we hear every time.
Oh, yeah.
Every person that we
Every
talk to
person
says, you got to know what you're getting into.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And so how
absolutely.
better to start when you're young.
Mhm.
Absolutely.
Well, so what would be the cons, right? I mean, I'm just trying to throw out like some ideas of why would it be bad to start investing?
Well, the one con that I can think of is that it takes you away from being a kid if you're super young.
That's true.
Because it is important to experience that youth feeling of it. That's one con that I just right off the top of my head.
Oh, really, right? Where you're
Yeah.
focusing more on like making money when
Yeah.
you're like 12 or 13
Yeah.
instead of playing.
Yeah, playing
Basketball,
right? Playing in the mud. Or
Just normal things.
Yeah.
Can you think of any cons?
No, I think it's a positive. At least do the paper trading, and not necessarily taking your own money, but do the paper trading, because it's just like we have to learn arithmetic and spelling and so forth. Then that's another aspect that can be learned.
It's true.
Yeah, and I guarantee you there's websites that'll let you do it. Start an account for free with a certain balance and just play around.
There it
Investopedia.
is.
Yeah.
Investopedia.
That
Yeah.
is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did that a lot in high school actually,
Oh, okay.
where Investopedia you could get like $1 million, Monopoly dollars basically.
Yeah.
And then you just keep
Okay.
buying and selling. You could buy anything. You could buy Boeing stock, you could buy Apple stock, you could buy mutual funds, ETFs.
Oh, that's cool.
Just go on and on and on and on and on. So yeah. That's a
Awesome.
great idea.
Yeah.
It is very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, and I think that is smart too. Where even if they want to introduce that into the really like 6th, 7th, 8th grade, where it's like, hey, today we're just gonna spend 15 minutes like looking over some stocks and buying it, and then tomorrow see what happens. See how the news, the speculation, look at
Right.
the candlesticks, look at the earnings. I mean, there's so many different things that could just change the trends, and just having that knowledge overall. And knowing that when things do go down like 30%, that's normal, and not just
Right.
getting so
Yeah,
afraid
'cause
and like,
then
oh,
50
my
years
gosh.
later, they don't sell off their 401k or something when the market takes a dip.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, that'll help the economy in the long run. Yeah.
And also, it actually goes beyond the money, because when one is learning, they're learning social economics and the whole political aspect, different cultures and so forth, because it's a
like how does
global
China affect
economy.
America, whatever. Yeah, exactly.
And so
Okay.
it's incredible what one can learn.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. What did you start investing, Mike?
Let's see. Well, my first kind of business investing was I was selling candy when I was in high school. Backpack
Oh,
full
yeah,
of candy.
yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just doubling my money. Is what I was trying to do. And even younger than that, I used to collect baseball cards. But I would go door to door collecting baseball cards when I was like 5 or 6.
And we
just
typed
knocking
on
on people's doors.
Oh, that's cool.
So yeah, that was kind of. And I'm a salesperson, so it's okay. I can go up to somebody and talk to them, and do stand up too. So I'm not ashamed of going up and just talking to somebody. So that's really cool. That has helped me. But I think real investing didn't start until I started doing a 401k when I was at US Bank back when I was about 21.
Mhm.
The investment guy who worked at our branch said you have to do it. They're matching it. You got to put money in and just start to see it. And then he helped me figure out which mutual funds to go for. And it was fun. It was fun watching that and watching my money build.
Yeah, you mentioned
Yeah.
matching, and so many people put that off, because if you
Yeah.
work for a company and they're matching,
Yeah.
my goodness,
It's
you're
like
throwing
extra
money
paycheck.
away if you don't
Yeah.
take it.
It's
So
a guaranteed return.
absolutely,
And you don't get
absolutely,
guarantees in
Yeah,
any investments.
yeah.
100%. Cool. Well, hey, we're going to wrap up.
Yeah.
We got a lot more questions down the road. Thanks for being with Mike, myself, and my dad.
All right.
See, I don't know if I should say Craig or Mr. Dom
Yeah,
or my
exactly.
dad. You know, I'm just
Hey,
like,
my dad's
yeah,
fine.
yeah, all right, here's my dad. Here we go,
Yeah.
guys. Peace.